Welcome everyone to Northeastern Junior College, also known as NJC. This public community college provides the student experience of a large university nestled on a small campus where students enjoy a very personal experience. Located here in Sterling, Colorado, the beautiful Eastern Plains provide the backdrop and foundation of the college as an agricultural school. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and today you'll see how this college still enjoys agricultural roots, but has grown into so much more with a multitude of academic and career programs. You'll meet real students and alumni who are finding their passion as firefighters, wind turbine experts, musicians, athletes, nurses, and more. Welcome to Northeastern Junior College.
This is